In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Bible app. We will walk through it slowly so you can follow along on your Android phone without feeling rushed. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or inside your app drawer. When it opens, you should see the main Play Store page with suggested apps and categories, which lets you know you are in the right place. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store screen. The keyboard will slide up from the bottom, and the search field will be ready for you to type. You might also see past searches appear just underneath if you have used the Play Store before. Now, search for YouVersion Bible app. Carefully type the words YouVersion Bible app into the search field. Then tap the search key on your keyboard. In a moment, a list of results appears, usually with the most relevant apps right at the top. If you misspell YouVersion, the right app may not show first, so check your spelling before you search. From there, select YouVersion Bible app plus audio by Life.Church. In the results, look for the app name with YouVersion Bible app plus audio and the developer listed as Life.Church. When you tap it, you will move to the app's detail page, where you can see the logo, screenshots, rating, and a short description so you can confirm it is the official app. Now tap Install. The Install button sits near the top of the app page, usually on the right side. As soon as you tap it, the button changes to show the download progress. After that, wait for the app to download and install. You will see a progress circle or bar slowly fill as the download completes. Then it switches to installing. On a fast connection, this might only take a few moments, but it can take longer on slower networks. Once it finishes, the install button changes to an open button, which tells you the app is now ready on your device. Next up, tap Open. The Bible app will launch, and you should see the YouVersion welcome screen with the logo and a short introduction. This confirms you opened the correct app and that it installed properly. At this point, sign in or create a free account to get started. If you already have a YouVersion account, choose Sign In and enter your details to sync your reading plans and highlights. If you are new, choose the option to create a free account and follow the prompts, which usually ask for a name, an email, and a password. Once you complete that screen, the app takes you straight to the main home view where you can see the verse of the day and begin exploring. You have now downloaded the YouVersion Bible app and signed in so your reading and notes stay saved across your devices. If this helped you get the Bible app running, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.